Hello friends, welcome again back to my channel. How you all doing, guys? Hope you're all good today and I hope you're doing great. So today is a quick DIY how to make this very beautiful and stylish braided band. Yes guys, so we're going to be doing this one, and of course let's just get to the table so we get started. So these are the piece of fabric that I'm using. You can see I just have three pieces of this long straps here. Okay, and by the way, this is a piece from the previous video I did on how to make a bubu with a pleated waistline. That outfit is very beautiful. In case you've not seen that tutorial, you can go ahead and watch it. So this band was used to accessorize that outfit. Yes, so it's a very beautiful one. Please go ahead and watch it in case you've not seen that. All right, so the width of this strap I'm using is 5 inches in width, and that's the same thing for the three pieces we have here. Why for the length is a length of 45. It's a length of 45, so 5 inches in width and what 45 inches what in length. So all I need to do is to make a fold into two at the wrong side, then I'll go ahead and make a straight stitch. I'll do the same thing for the three pieces. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and turn out everything to the right side. So I'll just go finish that up, then I'll come back to show you. And when I was done, guys, can see this what I have. I've gone ahead to turn it all to the right side. Can see. So all I did was to take my scissors to cut off the tiny edges, okay, that I used to, make it easy for me to turn it all to the right side, because I want the two ends to be open. So now that I have that, now the next thing now is to start filling this up with this fiber. So you get this from your sofas, chairs, pillows and all that. You can get this fabric, this fiber there. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use, and I'm not going to fill it up to the very end. You can see I'm measuring about 5 inches, 5 to 6 inches. So I'm going to stop at that end, and the same thing at the other end. So in other words, what I'm saying is at both ends there's going to be 5 inches space. Okay, so in between them you just have the fiber filled up in it. I hope you understand. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and start doing this. Okay, so you need a little bit of patience to do this one because it will take a little while. So just get whatever you can. I have a little stick here that I'm using to just take bit by bit and just be passing it in, just like you see me doing. Just keep passing it in to fill it up. So you can see the first one, you take it in, just make sure that you stop 5 inches away from the edge, and of course by the time you're done filling it up, you are also going to stop 5 inches before the end. Yeah, so just take your time and keep passing this. So by the way, this fiber, you can get it from the local furniture stores. Yes, that's where you can actually get this, because that's the major place they use it for sofas, on chairs and pillows and all that. Okay, yeah, so this leftover ones I have, so that's what I'm using. So yes guys, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. This is a good time to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, share with your sewing communities. I'll really appreciate this a lot. Okay, remember I used to say this, don't just watch and go, just do some more to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much as always. So yeah, just carefully passing this till we get to the point where we want this to stop. So by the time we get to this there, you can see stopping 5 inches away, you can see I have that. It's all ready. You can see. So I'm just going to take my time now and do the same thing for the remaining piece. I'll do that behind the camera, then I'll come back to show you. And so when I was done, guys, you can see I've gone ahead to fill it up. All three are ready. So what I'm going to do now is to bring the three pieces together at the edge. So I'm just intentionally making that plain one to be at the center there. You can see I'm placing it over each other like so. You just go ahead and make a stitch, okay, but for now I'll just use my pin to hold it down. Okay, so just hold it down just to put it in place. Then you go ahead and start braiding. Okay, if you have someone around who can help you hold the edge, fine, but you can still do this even by yourself. Just carefully take it just like you braid. You know, if you've done that before, it's an easy thing. Just keep braiding it the way it is, like so. And so make sure that you don't do it tighten, don't tighten, just free your hand while you do it. You know, let it just go freely. You can see the way this is going, just freely, just do that. And yeah, you do this till you get to the very end. You can see this now. So once you get to the edge, you can see, then what you're going to do now is to bring the two together. Okay, so if it's for a little child, you can make a knot and it can still pass through the head, but for an average person, you don't have to make a knot. Okay, you just bring the two edges together and make a stitch. Okay, yes, we use the length of 45, but you want to make a knot, then it should have been longer than that 45. Yeah, so just go ahead and hold it at the edge and run a stitch, and that will be it. Then after that, you use a piece of fabric like this and cover it up. Okay, yeah, use your needle and thread to finish it up, or you can use your fabric gum to do that, and that will be it, guys. Very beautiful one. And that's it, guys. We've come to the end. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one. Bye.